Wonder shall never end. The kind things where they happen. One man just catching Sherry Coco in wife on top of another man for in matrimonial home. And I hear say this one she dey claim say na in work colleague. Say make two of them come house, come do some other assignment. I don't know the kind of assignment wey they won't come do. Before we go see, now there this woman they pound this man on top of bed. Not knowing say the husband will come out early. Now there this man go catch these two people. My viewers, I beg, make na follow me watch.
Je suis ma femme. Ça cause vous êtes collés comme ça. J'appelle mes frères béninois. J'appelle mes frères béninois. Vous voyez les bandits? C'est comme ça, ils viennent. C'est pas normal. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça, tu viens. C'est comme ça. Aujourd'hui, oui. Ouais. Je suis ma femme. Ça cause vous êtes collés comme ça. J'appelle mes frères béninois. J'appelle mes frères béninois. Vous voyez les bandits? C'est comme ça, ils viennent. C'est pas normal. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça, tu viens. C'est comme ça. Aujourd'hui, oui. Ouais.
This one I really cut on top of it because I don't know I want to explain this whole thing. But women on I know they shame. This kind of woman, you don't even fear say na her husband house you dey. Hotel there you no carry this man go. Your husband house now you can't carry him. You can't dey cry like cat. I beg, I don't understand. Who you want pity you on top of this one what you do? You dey on top of another man, they show a different kind of skills. You can't expect say your husband go come they follow you, they laugh. You can't they beg now. They blame say na devil. I beg, which kind devil? Devil dey in place, jejely. Now you carry this your big nyash, go climb on top of another man. Come they claim say na devil walk. But I'm not talking if you know say you know they satisfied sexually. Tell your husband, okay, bro, something like this, I like her like this, I like her like that. Maybe on a two go settle down. And if you know say this man still nothing they happen, then you tell us, okay, make na koko do open relationship. Make him find square root, make you say find your square root. But some men say I go blame money. Now your eye, now carry you reach this kind of place. They go say marry decent woman, you go say no. Say you want the one where get big nyash, where they shapey, slay queen type, ashawo vibe. Hope say you don't see. You don't see where I don't lead person. The one where get the distance, now then they always follow men up and down. Anyways, I hope say this one will be eye opener for men and women where they outside. My viewers, now here I go drop them on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story. This story where I carry come for now because of our Nigerian youth. So I hear say they don't come outside, they protest because of Big Brother Naija. I know say most of them they very familiar with this reality TV show. I know say all of them they watch them. But for those of them who know they watch and I no go know the reason why these people come outside now say they want they protest. E get one twist wey happen in which they evict person where them like and because of this ones, this youth come outside they protest. Say this one wey happen say na ojoro. My people beg. Make na follow me watch.
Okay. We are not playing any drug game. We don't have to play any drug game. If you don't want me, release him. It is that simple. Release him to us. If you don't want him, release him. Release him to us. Why the mental stress now? Why the mental stress? Why are you taking him? Why are you taking him out through all those things? Why? Why are they doing that? Why are they doing that? You'll be preaching. You'll be preaching. No time. And you're not preaching what you're preaching. You know that you're not preaching what you're preaching. You're not doing what you're preaching. You're not doing it at all. We are not preaching it.
Justice of the right.
And justice must be served.
We are not okay with the game. Our votes must count. We are not okay with the game. Our votes must count. Our votes must count. Our votes must count. We are not okay with the game. Our votes must count.
Hey, nothing we no go see inside this Nigeria. So youth now on a don't dey that jobless. On a no get work again early Monday morning. On a wake up go buy cardboard so on a one day protest about something wey be say na game. And these people now they complain say Big Brother they give them mental stress because of say what be the essence of them voting. In which after they will come vote finish, they no go come pick the person wey get the highest votes. Because true on a normal scale, this guy Pere where they evict now he get the highest score. So now him viewers and his supporters when they want to say why be say now all of a sudden they can't go evict the guy. But I beg I won't call the I beg on a say na real life something. These people na game that they play. I don't know why person won't kill himself. Anyway, I understand why our government now they always reason and say now reality TV show and they take away the souls of Nigerians. Because most of us, you know, they even focus on what they really happen inside Nigeria. This baby Nigeria, it don't block people brain. They don't even know what they do again. Anyway, my people, I hear this one now. I say make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.